Well, hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel Diamond Paintings with Mike. And today we have another unboxing from Amazon. Now, as some of you know, me and Crafter McKay are doing a, what do we call it, a sort of like, when we done the Coca-Cola van, we sort of competed to see who can do it first. And we're going to do that in June, I believe it is. If I've got that wrong, okay, then do correct me. That's no problem at all. But I saw this one, which will go along with my beach one, and it looks absolutely divine. It's only £5. Really, really lovely indeed. It's lovely and colourful. And in here, we have got a gonk. Obviously a gnome shows their eyes, a gonk doesn't. That's how to tell them. Oh, that's interesting. I'll just have to check. I've just noticed something. But look at this. This is a 30x40 painting. Absolutely so gorgeous and vibrant there. Really, really lovely. It's got 34 colours. That's a really interesting. Oh, it's E. I thought it had a mouse sign. But as you can see, lovely sort of trees up there. Got a lovely little butterfly. Some lovely gonks with their hats. I like the blue one with the stars on. That's pretty cool. And we've even got a little parrot there, a bird. It looks like a chaffinch, that. I was going to say a canary, but a canary is normally all yellow, not with black spots and that. But then you've got some mushrooms down the bottom here with some grass and that. I think that's going to be a really lovely, gorgeous painting indeed. Now, if we take that over to one side, we do actually have our standard boat. And this one's quite chunky because we actually have 2 pens in this. We've got a couple of baggies. I have, Crafting with Kate has very kindly taught me how to dump drills. So normally what I would do is with spare drills, I would put them all into little bags and code them. But now what I'm going to be doing is putting them into jars because that will cut down the timing of putting them all into bags. So I won't be using bags anymore. Obviously got yourself a squodgy, green boat that I won't normally use. The browse towel, what I call... and Kay calls it a straightener, and obviously your piece of wax that most of us have got shed loads of it. But yeah, it's nice to have a white one to come for a change. Don't normally get that. Now, when I said, oh yeah, I noticed that this one here has got this print on that says, keep away from small children. The film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. This bag is not a toy. Now, I have to be honest with you, I've never seen that on a bag before, but, you know, it could be something new. I like the way this one's packaged into that. So let's take a look at some of the colours that we've got here. And as you can see, I've been waiting so long to film these, but obviously have to wait until the relatives go, you see. And these are sort of like your standard WX I've worked with before. Oh, that's lovely. Turquoise or teal. I'm going to say that's teal, T-E-A-L, which is a colour there. Some whites. It might be best to show you this side, actually. Yeah, as you can see, all sorts of lovely colours there. But these two are my absolute favourite. My favourite colour is blue. So yeah, we've got them ones. So I'll put that over to one side. And then we've also got these colours here. So we've got some blacks. Some dark blue is absolutely gorge. Some orange, some browns, all sorts of lovely things there. And then obviously the trees and the grass, we have got quite a massive pack of the green colour here, as you can see, and moving along like so. Got quite a lot there. Absolutely gorge. Really, really lovely colours there. I like that slate grey colour. That's really lovely indeed. So, as I said, if you want to get this painting for yourself, I will put the link in the description video below. This one I'm not entirely sure. I mean, it's giving me sort of like not a summery vibe, but sort of like a... I get the impression like it's supposed to be like a fishing sort of theme. I don't know when I plan to do that. It's probably likely going to be summer, but yeah. It's just a lovely painting, and for a £5 you can't go wrong with that. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and I'll see you next Friday for another unboxing. Bye guys.